Hello, my name is Haja Mo. If you want container security that shows you exactly where you are weak and how to fix it from day one, you are in the right place. Rocheston certified cybersecurity engineers are trained to land with enterprise discipline, establish visibility across Docker and Kubernetes, harden images and runtimes, and align controls to your risk profile so results are immediate and measurable. Today, we focus on ThreatMapper to scan Docker and Kubernetes clusters for vulnerabilities and to guide fast remediation. RCCE engineers deploy lightweight agents as DaemonSets on cluster nodes and run safe scans on registries and live workloads. They inventory images and containers, build SBOMs, detect CVE issues, secrets, and malware, and flag risky settings such as privileged pods, broad capabilities, host networking, and unnecessary routes. ThreatMapper prioritizes what matters by mapping internet exposure and process reachability so the most exploitable paths rise to the top. RCCE engineers turn findings into protection immediately. They update base images, rebuild and redeploy with pin digests, enforce non-root users, read-only file systems, seccomp and app armor profiles, and tight resource limits. Network policies stop lateral movement. Admission controls block images that fail policy. Issues flow to Jira or ServiceNow with proof and owners. Alerts reach Slack or Teams. Rescans are scheduled so fixes are verified and drift is caught early. Dashboards show top exploitable CVEs, affected services, and trend lines your SOC and leaders can trust. By the end of day one, you have a cluster-wide risk map, high-risk containers identified with clear evidence, quick guardrails in place, tickets opened with due dates, and an automated rescan rhythm that keeps risk moving down and to the right. Let's get started. Hire a Rocheston certified cybersecurity engineer and secure your organization on day one.